Dear children, welcome back to EVS class. Today I am going to teach you water pollution and air pollution. In the last class you learnt uses of water and uses of air. Today you are going to learn water pollution. What is mean by water pollution? We throw wastages and releasing wastewater into the water bodies. It's called water pollution. The following activities pollute water. Example, look at the picture. Look at the picture, all of you. Throwing garbages in water. It makes pollute the water. So, we should not throw garbage in water. Do you understand, children? Waste things we do not throw in the water. And also releasing waste water into water bodies. It makes pollute water. The next, washing clothes in water bodies. This bathing animals in water bodies. These activities makes water pollution. How to avoid water pollution? We should not do these things in the water bodies. நம்ம இந்த மாதிரியான வேலைகளாம் செய்யக்கூடாது. Because water is essential thing for us. We need to save water for our future generation. So, dear children, you should inform your parents and neighbors. Don't waste water. Save water for our future. And also, you should not do these things in the water bodies. You can understood through this picture how to water is polluted by us. நம்ம எப்படி வாட்டரை பொல்யூட் பண்ணுறோன்றதை இந்த பிக்சரால் உங்களால் தெரிஞ்சிக்க முடியும். I hope you are all understood. Throwing garbages. Listen and repeat. Throwing garbages in water. Releasing wastewater into water bodies. Washing clothes in water bodies. Bathing animals in water bodies. These are causes water pollution. These are causes water pollution. So we should not do it. We should save water. Next, air pollution. What is meant by air? Kaatru. Very good. How to causes air pollution? Smoke from different sources polluted the air. Smoke na enna parunga pugai. You can see the picture. Smoke from different sources pollute the air. Smoke from burning garbages. நம்ம தேவையில்லாதெல்லாம் போட்டு எரிக்கிறோம் இல்லைங்களா, இதுதான் வந்து என்னது garbage, burning, எரிக்கிறது. Smoke from burning garbages. Smoke from cigarette. Smoke from factories. And smoke from vehicles. Factories, தொழிற்சாலையிலேருந்து இது பாருங்கள் ஸ்மோக் புகை போகுதுங்களா. Smoke from vehicles. These are the things caused air pollution. இவை அனைத்து தான் என்னது ஏர் வந்து பொல்யூட் பண்ணுது. காற்று பொல்யூஷன்னா என்ன சில்ட்ரன்? காற்று மாசுபடுது. இவை அனைத்து தான் காரணமாக இருக்குது. பாருங்கள், smoke from different sources pollute the air. Smoke from burning garbages and smoke from cigarette, smoke from factories, smoke from vehicles. So these things make air pollution. Read and write the words. Page number 83 in your textbook. First, I teach you the words. Listen and repeat, all of you. Say garbage. Garbage. G-A-R-B-A-G-E. Garbage. Smoke. S-M-O-K-E. Smoke. Burning. B-U-R-N-I-N-G. Burning. Washing. W-A-S-K-H-I-N-G. Washing. Pollution. P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N. Pollution. These are hard words you learn in this page. One time I give you practice to write. All of you follow and write in your book page number. Okay, say and write. G-A-R-B-A-G-E. Garbage. Smoke. S-M-O-K-E. Smoke. Burning. B-U-R-N-I-N-G. Burning. Washing. W-A-S-K-H-I-N-G. Washing. Pollution. P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N. Pollution. Okay. Writing part. Complete this page number 83 in your textbook, children. I hope you are all understood what is meant by air pollution and water pollution. We should avoid to do these are the things. It is safe for us, so we must save water. Thank you, children.